What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to connect your Skyworth TV to a Wi-Fi network. Now, over here I have the Skyworth Google TV, but it doesn't matter the type of Skyworth TV you have, whether you have the Skyworth Google TV just like this one or the Skyworth Android TV. Following the same steps, you should be able to connect any Skyworth TV you have to a Wi-Fi network. Simply, what you want to do is to just scroll over to the settings icon, usually at the top right corner of your Skyworth TV. So using your remote control from the home of the TV, you just want to scroll horizontally until you get to this settings icon over here. Go ahead and click on the settings icon. Now you just want to continuously scroll down until you find the network and internet settings over here. Click on it, and then at this point you want to first of all make sure that Wi-Fi is turned on. So if your Wi-Fi is turned off, make sure it is actually turned on. Click on OK to turn it on, and then you just want to look for the name of your Wi-Fi network from the list of available Wi-Fi networks you can actually connect to over here. If your Wi-Fi is not found over here, then you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on and is available for other devices to connect to. If you still do not find it over here, then scroll down to the See All to see all of the Wi-Fi networks that are actually available. Now once you find the name of your Wi-Fi network, in my case the Sam Airtel Wi-Fi 5G is actually the name of my Wi-Fi network, so I'll just go ahead and select it just like so. Then you want to proceed to enter the password of your Wi-Fi network, and once you're done, just click on the check button at the bottom over here. Click on it, and automatically your Skyworth TV will connect to your Wi-Fi network without any issue. So you can now go ahead and start watching content, streaming your applications, and even accessing the internet on your Skyworth TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.